My question is, beloved Huzur, you have repeatedly mentioned the application of absolute justice as a prerequisite to peace. What career should Waqfe Nau pursue to work towards this immense goal?
You see, I didn't only say that we should create peace in the world and ask the people to do justice, and that is absolute justice. But I also mentioned in my different addresses and discourses what peace is, how we can create peace in the society, and what is the definition of absolute justice with reference to the Holy Quran and Hadith and the Sunnah of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, right? And the teaching given to us in this age by Prophet Musa alayhi salatu wasalam. So there are quite a number of addresses and lectures with all available references which can help you to understand what is absolute justice, what is peace, how can we create peace in the world, and how should we admonish the people, those who are distracting, deviating from the right path, and let them understand. This is why, as far as I am concerned, I do ask the people, whether politicians or other big people, knowledgeable people, professors, that they should also play their role in creating peace in the society, and that cannot be achieved without absolute justice. And what the definition of the absolute justice in the Holy Quran? There are so many examples. For instance, it is said that if you stand witness against yourself, you should do it. Again, you against your parents, against your kindreds and close relatives. So this is how you can create absolute justice in the society, which is not being seen nowadays in this present world. So we have to preach, and these addresses are there in compiled shape, in different book forms even, and separate lectures. You read first, talk to the people with reference to those, because they are the ready references for you, and then you can distribute those. So this is how you can do it. You see, every Waqfe Nau can practice this thing, but in every field, wherever you are, you can ask your fellow workers that what the true teaching of Islam is, that how we can preserve peace in the society, how we can develop peace in the society, and what is the absolute justice, and what does it mean. And for that, those who are capable, they can also go to the public service, where you will have the better opportunity to profess your point of view. Okay?
جزاک اللہ خیر.